Now we are going to work on getting all the products. I will close. Inside this product controller, we have already created this get all products. Below this, I will be creating one variable products. Above, we have created product because we will create single product. Now I have to get all the products. So I have created variable products. And for this also, I will be making as async function. And then I have to wait for the operation to complete. And from this model, now I will access this find method. I will change the spelling. Using this find method, whatever documents we are having inside the collection, entire thing we are going to access. Now here, I will remove the message. In place of this, I will be passing success. I will give true. Then here below this, I will be passing products. Whatever data I'm having inside this, I will access and assign to this products. I will open Postman. Now I will open this tab, get all products. I will click on send. Now you can see successfully I am able to get the products and it will be giving us array, and inside that we will have first object data which we have created. Now I will come to creating new product, and inside this body I will give product to here, product description to, price 200, public ID to, URL to, instead of shirt let me just give here phone. I will click on send. This second product is created. You can see all the information is present. I will come to get all products. Previously I was only having this first collection. Again I will click on send. Now you can see below this I will have another product data, product to, description to, ID to. So entire thing I am able to get using this product.find. So whatever document data we are having inside the collection, entire thing we can access using this function. And for both, we have already defined the route and we have passed inside our product route.js.